Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, guys, we have our very first unboxing of 2022 and we are going to be unboxing my Ipsy PR box. This box will contain the Ipsy Glam Bag and the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. So you guys want to see what my thoughts are on this entire box and is it still worth it? Well then definitely keep watching. Alright guys, so we're going to ignore what's happening on my eyes. I just did a whole eyeshadow review that you guys are going to see in tomorrow's video. So you guys are going to see two kind of different looking eyes are the same, but they look different. And you guys are going to find out why in tomorrow's video. But I just want to go ahead and point that out because it's bothering me. Okay, so I'm so excited. I have been part of Ipsy's PR team now since October of 2020 and you know, it's been fun. I've had a lot of fun with Ipsy and unboxing it. I will say that I think, I could be wrong, but I think Ipsy is mad at me because I talked a little bit of shit. Hear me out. I was very forgetful, and last week, probably 3 days before the first, I immediately ran online and canceled BoxyCharm, and I think Ipsy overheard because while I was canceling BoxyCharm, I looked at Ipsy and I went, oh my god, this box costs $29.99 for the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Since when did they raise their prices? I thought it was $25. Now it's like, what, $29.99? I didn't know that. So I'm kind of irritated and I'm actually contemplating canceling Ipsy too. But the only reason why I'm not is because I really love my Ipsy X. I think Ipsy X is such a great box that it's hard for me to cancel that. So I think I have to just keep it because Ipsy's just like BoxyCharm where you have to have the base box to get the deluxe box. Same thing with Ipsy. You have to have Ipsy in order to get Ipsy X. So here we are. But either way, I'm still extremely grateful that Ipsy gives this to me every single month in PR. So thank you guys so much. But like I said, I think they're mad at me because if you guys want to take a gander at my box, I think I could be wrong, but I think they're kind of pissed at me because this looks like this has been stepped on several times. So with that said, guys, we're going to go ahead and dive straight on into this box. Now, the only thing that I don't like whenever I get PR from Ipsy is that I don't know what comes in what because they can just kind of throw all the items in here. I never know what belongs in the Ipsy Glam Bag and what belongs in the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. So I do apologize for not knowing, but I did pick out my items for Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. They only send it to you on the 2nd, so I did pick those out. I think I picked out like the Core's Goger Foaming Cleanser because I know that Manny said that was his favorite, so I wanted to try that out. I picked out like some lip gloss and something else, but for the most part, all my options were items that I have never heard of, brands I've never heard of. So there's that. Hopefully they get better. Fingers crossed. It's 2022. Hopefully it's a brand new year. Hopefully they start to improve. So we shall see. So the very first thing we have right here is the Ipsy Glam Bag. Now, I actually think this is actually kind of cute. Nice little tie-dye, super cute. And when you open it, let's look at the goodies we have. So the first thing we have is from Grace and Stella. This is the Say Hi to Hydration. This is the Hyaluronic Acid Hydrating Serum. And I believe we have gotten this product before because I've noticed that a lot of products that are ending up inside Ipsy are also ending up inside BoxyCharm. So I believe we've gotten this product before, but this is a nice little serum, nice and sealed. So I'm gonna go ahead and keep it that way to put it into No Waste Wednesday. Okay, so we have this Extra Sculpt Volume Mascara from Ditto. I've actually never heard of this brand before, but it is nice and sealed, so that's actually super cool. Then we have something from Dew Tube. This is a hydrating lip gloss. I think I picked this out. I think I picked this out for myself. Oh, that's actually really pretty. Do you guys see that? That's actually a really pretty gloss. Okay, that's actually really cool. That's a full-size product. Now, I may or may not keep this. That's why if I don't swatch something, it's because I'm kind of undecided if I'm going to keep it or not, and I'd rather if I decide to keep it, I'll swatch it, but sometimes I don't really figure that out until like I start to go through my makeup and put everything away, then I kind of figure it out. So that's why I'm not swatching it. Next we have the Professional. This is the light primer. Oh my god, I actually wanted to try this primer. I legit want to try this primer. This is the ultra light. Okay, first off, they put the tiniest little damn font on here. Okay, it's the ultra lightweight face primer to minimize the look of pores. I am going to keep this for myself because I want to try this. So, and I haven't gotten sent it yet from Benefit. I'm sure they're going to send it my way. They typically send stuff like a month after it gets released. So I'll definitely try it then. But if not, I'm going to hold on to this just in case because I really want to try this primer. So it's actually really cool. I'm excited about that one. Okay, and then next we have Ultra Repair Cream from First Aid Beauty. This is an intense hydration, skin protectant, colloidal oatmeal. This helps to hydrate dry, parched skin. I have very dry, parched skin. So dry, it produces so much oil to make up for it. No, but this is a temporary, helps relieves minor irritation, itching due to eczema and other conditions. I obviously don't have issues with that, so I'm going to probably go ahead and keep this in the bag so I can give that away to one of you guys, but that's actually really cool. I like the fact that there are 2 skincare products in here and 3 makeup products. See, that's what I really do appreciate. I love when there is a 3:2 ratio. That's what makes me happy, so it's actually not a bad bag. I'm enjoying it. Moving on to the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. The first thing we have is, oh, okay, this is exciting. I picked this out for myself, I remember. Okay, this is the Kimchi Chic Stage Proof. This is the Kimchi Chic Stage Proof Matte Setting Spray. I remember what I picked. You know, I'm sure if I go on my email, I can see what I picked. But I actually picked this for myself because I have this setting spray. My wonderful, amazing, beautiful, talented friend, Mikey, gifted this to me a long time ago because he knows how oily I am. And this has been my ride or die setting spray. Along this and my Benefit Professional setting spray are what I use at all times. This is empty, still sitting in my drawer, by the way, completely empty. I just haven't gotten a new one. And I literally picked this out for myself when it came to picking out my customization, because you get to pick 3 out of the 5 customizations. So I picked this out for myself, and now I have another backup. I'm excited. That's actually a really good product. So, all right, this is good. This is good. Okay, Ipsy. I see what you're doing here. All right, next. We have a little insert. Okay. Next we have something from Shella. This is the dual liquid eyeliner pearl and eyeliner. So it comes in black noir and blue, cordon bleu. Okay, well, this is a dual eyeliner. Let's take a look at it because there's a very good chance I won't be keeping this just because, yeah. See, that's really cool. I really do like the concept of having a dual eyeliner. We could have a liquid liner plus a regular eyeliner, but I don't use liquid liner at all. So I'm gonna go ahead and pass this forward, but I think it's actually really cool, and I've never heard of this brand before, but alrighty. Next we have Girlactic. This is a cranberry sugar face scrub. Girlactic. Every time I say Girlactic, I think of Xenon Girl of the 21st Century, and I just want to go zoom, zoom, zoom. Make my heart go boom, boom. My supernova girl. Okay, so this is a face scrub. Okay, I'm very confused on how to open this. Okay, you will open, you will open, you will open. How the heck do you open this? I can't open this. This is, it's solid. Isn't this that type of stuff supposed to be like just like a quick little like peely thingy? This is solid. Oh my God. I literally am so, I'm dumbfounded. I don't know how to open this.
3 hours later.
Okay, well, that just popped right off, didn't it? Holy shit. Oh my God. That smells so good. Oh my God, guys, it smells so sweet. It smells like a sweet, almost like a cherry pie. I want to lick it so bad. Oh my God, guys, it's taking everything I have not to try this. Oh my gosh, what do you do? Apply the cranberry scrub on your face in a light upward onward circle to cleanse or damp skin. Leave on for 3 to 5 minutes. Rinse well with water. Pat dry. Use twice a week. Avoid eye area. Oopsies. Some got on my hand. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Oh my God. Oh my God, I did it. Oh my God. It's so strong.
It was at this moment that she knew. She fucked up.
I need to spit. I need to spit.
That's what she said. Michael.
Okay. It lies. It tastes like Robitussin. Oh, I don't want to breathe. Oh, I need a mouth cleanser. I need a mouth cleanser. Oh God, the aftertaste. Oh, the aftertaste is just ungodly. I shouldn't have tried that. I shouldn't have tried that. I should not have tried that. I should not have tried that. Oh, okay. Next we have a Hip Dot. This is a brush. Thanks, Hip Dot. All right, last but not least, we have Huxley. This is the Secrets of Sahara. This is mask, oil, and extract. Great things never come from comfort zones. An innovative dual patch face sheet that combines cactus extract and hand harvested prickly pear seed oil. I am just way too distracted by the nasty taste that's going on in my mouth right now. It won't leave my tongue. Okay, so we have a face mask. So overall, this box had a face mask, an eye brush, a setting spray, an eyeliner, and it also came with the little ho 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 Santa sack right here. Definitely, you know, I'm not gonna lie, it's definitely not a bad box. I think there's kind of an equal balance. You get two makeup products, 2 skincare products, and a makeup tool. So I think it's definitely an even balance, a 3-to-2 ratio, which I actually appreciate. So I'm gonna quickly go take a shot of something because I need to get this nastiness out of my mouth. I really shouldn't have tried that. Don't give me shit in the comment section, okay? The smell is deceiving, and it says it's a sugar scrub, okay? These are sugar scrubs, and these, not that they're safe for consumption, but they get on your lips, you can swallow it. So why don't... Damn it. I'll be back. I gargled a lot of mouthwash. Couldn't get the taste out of the back of my throat, so I'm doing the one thing I can't stand people doing on the internet, and that's chewing gum. It's helping with the aftertaste. So I'm never doing that again. This is finally lesson learned. Lesson learned. Don't try shit that's not meant to be tried. What's wrong with me? What's wrong with me? I don't. Alrighty, guys. So that is everything that we got in our Ipsy unboxing. I'm actually happy with this month's box. I think they did a great job at doing a 3-to-2 ratio. I think they did a great job at doing a 3-to-2 ratio on both boxes. I think both products had an equal balance, and I'm actually not mad about the products that we got. I think there's stuff that like I can definitely give back to you guys. And there's stuff that I'm actually genuinely excited about, like this setting spray. I'm actually really excited about. So overall, definitely not a bad box. I think this is actually a good way to start the year. So if Ipsy keeps improving like this, then I'm gonna be really happy and not mad that I'm keeping it. So hopefully next month's box will get even better. I think next month might be the Ipsy X, or maybe it might be March. No, I think it's next. I don't know. Either way, I think it's actually a pretty good box, and so that makes me excited to see what they have in store next month. So, once again, Ipsy, thank you guys so much for gifting this to me in PR. I really do appreciate it, and sorry you guys had to witness that. I'm not proud of that moment. That's not one of my finest moments. So, lesson learned. I am done trying stuff for now. I'm sure. Alright guys, so that is it for today's video, guys. Hopefully you guys like this video. If you do, please make sure you guys give this video a cheeky thumbs up. I do post 5 times a week. Make sure you guys head over to my other channel. It's R for Life. You guys get to see my cool, wonderful adventures. My amazing husband, Corey. A huge, huge thank you goes to all these beautiful, wonderful Patreon members that you guys see right here. Thank you guys so much for everything. And to my subscribers and viewers. I don't know why you guys are here, because this shit's embarrassing. I don't know why you guys are here, but thank you guys so much for being here. Whether you guys like this video, you guys thumbs down this video, you guys subscribed, you guys did not subscribe. Either way, just thank you guys so much for being here. I love and appreciate each and every single one of you. So with that said, guys, I love you, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Bye. Okay. Okay. Today's video, no. My upstairs neighbors has 3 little dogs. They like to bark a lot. A perfect, like, you know, I love when they're excuse me. I love when there is. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already, because I do post almost every single day. I was gonna say every single day in the month of Vlogmas. I hate chewing gum on camera. Ooh. I'll be singing with the wolves and running through the trees.